guys, this is Dr. Roy, your MasterVet. For today's topic, pag-uusapan natin ang isang sakit na tinatawag na Infectious Canine Tracheobronchitis or mas kilala sa tawag na Kennel cough. Without further ado, let's start the discussion for today. What is Infectious Canine Tracheobronchitis? Results from inflammation of the upper airways. What does it mean? Ibig sabihin na yung parteng itaas na dinadaanan ng hangin, ito ay namamaga. Nakikita natin sa image yung trachea, yung bronchial airways, ito ay mga tubo. Kapag ito ay namamaga, nahihirapan na pumasok yung hangin at nahihirapan na huminga yung aso. This kind of disease may also extend patungo doon sa baga ng aso. And it can progress to fatal bronchopneumonia in puppies. So sa mga tuta, namamaga yung baga at itong mga tubo. Or chronic bronchitis sa mga aso na may edad, may sakit, o nanghihina. This kind of disease spreads rapidly in dog's house in close confinement like kennel, kaya tinawag siyang kennel cough. Pag-usapan natin yung etiology ng sakit na ito, Infectious Canine Tracheobronchitis. Paano ba ito nakukuha ng aso? Nakukuha ito sa bakterya, sa virus. Yung virus, dahil sa canine adenovirus 2, yung bakterya naman, ito ay dahil sa Bordetella bronchiceptica. Stress and environmental changes, yung pagbabago ng paligid, nakakaapekto sa pagkakaroon ng sakit na ito. Such as yung ventilation ng lugar. Yung lugar kung saan nandun yung mga aso, hindi well ventilated, hindi makalabas, hindi makapasok yung hangin, yung temperatura ng loob ng kwarto kung saan nandoon yung aso ay napakainit, or yung humidity, yung amount ng tubig na nasa hangin. So this could affect or predispose na magkaroon ng infectious tracheobronchitis itong mga aso na ito. What are the clinical signs of infectious canine tracheobronchitis? Ano yung nakikita natin na simptomas sa isang aso na may ganitong sakit? The most common signs, nagkakaroon ng spasms of harsh, dry coughing, which may be followed by retching and gagging. What does it mean? Ibig sabihin na tuyo yung ubo ng aso. Napapansin natin na ini-stretch ng dog yung neck area niya, sabay na uubo. The severity of cough diminishes during the first 5 days, but the infection persists for 10 to 20 days. At kapag ito ay lumala, nagkakaroon ng lagnat yung aso, may pus nasal discharge, nagkakaroon din ng depression kung saan nanghihina yung dog, loss of appetite, hindi kumakain, and productive cough in puppies. And how to diagnose infectious canine tracheobronchitis? Number 1, through history. Alamin natin kung yung ubo ng aso ay matagal na o bago pa lang. Number 2 is blood examination, kukunan ng dugo yung dog. And the last one is chest x-rays, are very important to determine the severity of the disease. Affected dogs should not be hospitalized dahil yung sakit is highly contagious. Ito ay nakakahawa. And because it generally improves on its own. How to treat infectious tracheobronchitis? Paano naman ito ginagamot? Number 1, bibigyan yung dog ng cough suppressant para huminto yung pag-uubo. Number 2, bibigyan ng antibiotic. Number 3, bibigyan ng corticosteroid. It's an anti-inflammatory drug to subside yung inflammation. And the last one is aerosolization, kung saan bibigyan ng breathing treatment yung dog. How to prevent infectious canine tracheobronchitis? Paano naman ito maiiwasan? Of course, through vaccination. So dadalhin mo yung dog sa pinakamalapit na veterinary clinic para mabigyan ng bakuna against Bordetella bronchiectica, which is the most common cause of infectious tracheobronchitis or kennel cough in dog. So that's it for today. I hope may natutunan kayo about my topic, infectious tracheobronchitis or kennel cough. See you on my next topic. This is Dr. Ron, your MasterVet signing off. Good day and God bless all. Bye!